Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to save money using Cash App. All right, that's the best strategy to save money using Cash App. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all. So let's jump straight into it. All right, so the best strategy to save money using Cash App is controlled spending and, of course, intentional transfers. You want to treat Cash App as a spending gateway rather than, a savings vault. Use Boost to reduce routine expenses and then move leftover funds to a savings account regularly. Enable notifications to stay aware of every transaction and, of course, to reduce impulse spendings. Savings through Cash App is indirect. Money is preserved by spending less and transferring more with discipline. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.